Mr. Al. Good afternoon, everyone. I, the advisor of Grade 4 Mga Katotohanan, would like to present to you the honor pupils and the special awardees of my class this school year 2006-2007. Let me begin with the special awards. The Academic Distinction Award. This award is given to a student who was included in the top 10 academic awardees during the first, second, third, or fourth quarter of this school year. The following are the academic awardees. May I request the parents, together with their child, to come up the stage to receive the said award. Chino Antonio Z. Manuel. Chino is also a recipient of the Most Obedient Award. Congratulations, Chino and Mr. Manuel. Our next awardee is Kurt C. Damsani. Kurt is also a recipient of the Most Helpful Award. May I request the parents of the awardees to please be with your children as they come up the stage. Thank you. Congratulations, Kurt, and also with Mrs. Damsani. Another recipient of this award is Michael C. Garcia. Michael will also receive the Most Attentive Award. Unfortunately, Michael cannot make today because he's sick. So let's move on to the next awardee. For the Most Improved Pupil Award, this award is given to a pupil who was observed to have shown ever-increasing progress in his scholastic performance. One of the recipients of this award is Keith Winchester P. Dumenden. Keith will also receive the Most Cooperative Award. Unfortunately, Keith cannot make it today because for some reasons. At this point, let me now call on the academic awardees. These pupils have shown remarkable and exemplary performance in their academics this school year 2006-2007. With honors, Alessandra J. Hernandez. Alessandra ranked 6th during the 4th grading period and also a recipient of the Most Sociable Award. Congratulations, Alessandra and Mr. Hernandez. What about a big round of applause for them? Thank you. With honors, R.C. Marie A. Maquinano. R.C. ranked 7th during the 4th grading period, and she will also receive the Most Responsible Award, the Most Helpful Award, and the Most Improved Pupil Award. RC, maybe she's still on her way here. With honors, Neil Johnson M. Emilia. Neil also ranked 10th during the 4th grading period and also a recipient of the Most Punctual Award. Congratulations, Neil, and also to Mrs. Emilia. With honors, Jeremiah Agroy M. Alba. Jeremiah also ranked 4th during the 4th grading period and is also a recipient of the Most Energetic Award. What about a big round of applause for them? Thank you. Congratulations, Jeremiah and Mr. Alba. With honors, Maria Evelyn T. Banyares. Evelyn also ranked A during the 4th grading period and a recipient of the Most Attentive Award. Congratulations, Maria Evelyn and Mrs. Banyares. Third honorable mention, Hazel Faye R. Granil. Hazel also ranked 4th during the 4th grading period and a recipient of the Most Cooperative Award.